Teamviewer remote control. This is the only app that is powerful app to transfer file, control another monitor or another computer from another computer, and you can see or manage the other desktop's task. So let's say this is the interface. It will comes with this is the home page, and it is come with your ID. You can see connect with ID with credentials. You can get your ID and your password. You can remote control any computer, or you can get full access or control from remote support session devices. You can add your device to connect with the quick connect system. Save your devices. Whenever you need to connect with that person, you'll get connect. You just click on the hub, just enter the password. You can log in that ID from any browser. Simply go to the teamviewer.com and put your ID and password. Then you can control PCs from any browsers or Teamviewer control app. If you don't log into this Teamviewer supporter, it will ask you to sign into Teamviewer or create a new one, or another site has your ID and your password. Another person want to access your device, your PCs, he need to sign in to this Teamviewer. One person is absolute need to sign into Teamviewer. Just click on sign into Teamviewer, put your email address encrypted, or if you don't have this one, you have to create a new one. Just put your name and your Gmail, then continue, and it will ask you to put encryption key and then hit on accept and then create my account. I already have an account, so that's why I'm just putting my encryption key. Or you can, if you forget your encryption key, you can get encryption key by your Gmail ID. Just click on forget your encrypted key, and it will ask you to, and it will send you a reset encryption key, and you have to click on reset encryption key and then put your new encryption key and then confirm encryption key and then copy the encryption key for after use, then save it. Then there is the interface when you sign into this Teamviewer remote control, and then you will get your password and your ID number. Anyone who want to connect with you with the Teamviewer, he need your ID number and your password. First he need to put partner ID and then password. On the device option, you can save your friends or family devices for login easily or fast. There is you need only the password, don't need to put Teamviewer ID. This is the advantages, just option you can get a free version of Teamviewer. There is a remote managers. If you want to get remote managers, you have to buy this Teamviewer ID's premium version, but it is pretty good with the free user ID. I already use it, and I can tell you it works smoothly and it has a strong connection with another PCs. If you and he or she has the strong Wi-Fi connection, if you have strong and speed Wi-Fi connection, you can get a smoother connection with the Teamviewer ID with your partner PCs. You can log in to teamviewer.com with any browser and control anyone's computer with that browser. Don't need to download Teamviewer or install it. So let me show how it's work with another person's PCs. I'm logging with my another PC's partner ID and put the password. It is working really smooth and clean, and it has strong power management and highly recommended for those. It really works with the official work or family persons who has no idea with computer. You can manage their PCs from your PC, and it works smoothly and it has strong connection. You will not get any problem when you use it, because I already use it so many times.